Hey scholars, welcome to 815 surface area. We're going to focus on spheres. So your objective is that students will be able to apply the formula to find the surface area of a sphere. When you're thinking of a sphere, before we go into any details or anything like that, which two-dimensional shape gets rotated, it turns into a sphere? Try to think back at the beginning of the lesson. You got this. There you go. See, I know you got it. Flip through that notebook. It's going to be a circle. So when we talk about the surface area of a sphere is actually made up of 4 circles. Hence, the surface area formula is 4 pi r squared. Pi r squared is a circle, and then it's kind of thinking of it as the surface area is 4 circles that's coming together to make a sphere. So pause the video, make sure you copy this into your notebook. Now, a lot of you are not copying the notes. The problem is when we get back to school, you will have assessments and projects on what we've covered through remote learning. We will have like about a day or two to review, but you will be needing this information. So please, if you have not been doing this, go all the way back since we start remote learning. All the videos are there. You need to get these notes in. With that said, pause it, copy this video, copy this notes, this slide. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared, and then we're going to head straight to the example. Now the examples are non-negotiable. You have to copy these as well. You need a reference. So if we go back to school and I'm like, okay, go ahead, look into lesson 812. Find the notes, find the example to go with it, okay? So let's go ahead. It says find the surface area, leave it in terms of pi. So surface area is equal to pi r squared, and it's 4 circles. Here, from the center to a point, that's your radius. So the radius is already 6. We don't have to do anything. This becomes 4 times pi, and the radius is 6. Plug everything in the calculator except the pi. It says in terms of pi, this would be 144 pi meters squared. If I said round it to the nearest tenth, right? So let's just say, because Samru, you know, sometimes can be a pain, I said round it to the nearest tenth, meaning include the pi, you would get 452.4 meters squared. Straightforward. Be careful. The only mistake I'm anticipating that you guys are making with this is if I give you the diameter, you got to cut it in half. And again, remember your diameter goes from one end to the other end. So if it's all the way like this, that's your diameter. You need to take half of that. So go ahead, do your thing, guys. Practice on that worksheet. This was a simple, straightforward video. Show all your work to get full credit. Do not just go and give me answers, okay? Show all your work, and you guys have a great day and stay safe.